Hello, GM, or is it Gamito? Gmito? Come on, Gmito? Gmitosis. Welcome, everyone. Thank you, Mitosis, for being such a gracious host. Like, don't you love the venue? Look at that video. I mean, God, like, this is amazing. I think it's definitely the best event that I came to this week. I hope everyone's having a good time. I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm the regional lead for APAC Web3 over at Google Cloud for the SMB and startup segment, and I manage Korea's growth for the cloud side, non-Web3 as well. Today, I wanted to share a little bit about, sorry, my fingers are not, there we go. Google's Web3 vision and journey, Web3 solutions, and Web3 partnerships. It's gonna be a little quick session, but, so I'm sure you can read it better than I can say it. But the four keywords are product, infrastructure, developer community, and adoption. This has always been the baseline for Google Cloud as well as Google as a whole, where we really do focus on these four aspects, and Web3 is not too different. Now, what does that mean though? We are taking action from various aspects of our company. So there is no Google Cloud as a company. It's all under Alphabet. And within Alphabet, we certainly make investments, especially in the Web3 space as well. We try to work with other Google like business segments like Google Play to really try and push things out. We have a dedicated team for Web3. There definitely is a lot going on, and we are going forward with the four aspects mentioned before. Now, Mitosis. So just wanted to do a shout out there because it is one of the partners we are working closely together over at Google Cloud. From a regional aspect, from an ecosystem aspect, we do try to work with protocols, exchanges, marketplaces, digital asset service providers, and infra dev tooling. Now, having said that, what do they really do? This is a quick little map of Web3 solutions that we think are making sense as use cases right now. From the infrastructure networking hosting side, for those not familiar with Google Cloud, this really won't mean much to you. Those are the solutions on Google Cloud that customers, projects, teams use to do infrastructure networking and hosting. That's how you can understand this picture. For blockchain analytics or data monetization and security monitoring and operation, we are adding AI elements to it. AI is definitely an area we are pushing. There will be soon more information that will be released in the future about Web3 and AI specific solutions that customers and we are trying to work on. So do stay tuned for that. As far as business needs goes, I know it's not clean, but you can just try and match the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And the colors, blue, green, red, yellow. And those are the values that we've seen customers and projects find throughout their journey collaborating with us. If you do want to, please scan. This is something that we're really pushing out this year. There is a Web3 portal that we try to put every information that we have available, GA, general availability, on there. So all these things that I am talking about, it will naturally be on there. Do check it out. Would definitely be worth your time. This is a little last bit of my quick monologue up here, but it's a lot of words. But simply put, we do try to participate in protocol levels as a node operator to really validate the blocks and try to contribute to the ecosystem. Another thing that we are proudly pushing out is to be able to query on-chain data by providing public blockchain data sets with partnerships with protocols to be able to query things on, say, Ethereum. You can just, even natural language-wise, chatbot style, hey, who's the wallet address with the most transactions in the past week? And they will just pull that out for you. This is done on a database or a data warehouse called BigQuery or BQ. You might hear that a lot. It's something we're definitely doing. And then the security and infrastructure side, it's a lot of Web3 solution talks. We are trying to make sense of what real use case and value propositions that we have over at the cloud side for projects. But I do, if you are more curious, I will connect you with our engineers that can explain that more. And then partnering with Google, I'm gonna show the last slide here. Right now, we view it in these 4 segments, where we have the joint go-to-market, developers ecosystem, product integrations, co-development, and lastly, one Google approach. For joint GTM, we do work with, so Tuesday, we just recently announced during our Builders House event with DSRV and Nonce Classic, woohoo, yoo-hoo! We had Sonium, the co-developed blockchain by Sony Block Solutions and Startail. We have an accelerated and incubation program for them where all the participation projects or participating projects within the incubation program is eligible for, I think, $25,000 worth of Google Cloud credits in the first year, like just specifically for them, as long as they're in the incubation program, like boom. So we try to accelerate those things and also allocate some engineers and team members, account managers, startup success managers to really collaborate on how to really bring that up. Second one, developer and ecosystems. We are trying to go for more developer engagement through bounty programs. This is something that we're trying to test out, especially with protocol, layer 1s, layer 2s, all the layers. We do have like joint events like this, but also co-publishing technical solutions. We try to get use cases and blogs out there. As well as sometimes, if you can look at number 4 actually, we do some joint research, especially in the zero knowledge side. We recently participated in the conference based out of the US, and we're trying to co-publish solutions. For the product integration, BQ, as I was mentioning before, one-click node deployment, we don't have that for all the protocols or most of the protocols even. We do have it for some, but we called it the blockchain node engine, where it's a managed services for node operation and deployment. And yeah, one Google approach, it gets a little difficult to do that with Web3, but we try to bring in all the different Google business segments to collaborate together. So I did whiz through that, and I will take questions if anyone has questions, but other than that, thank you.